Okay, well today I'm going to be picking this lock here, which is a Yale Euro profile cylinder. This is a thumb turn one. 6-pin cylinder with spool pins. This cylinder I actually found down the back of my garden when we moved into our house. So there is no key for this one. It's a bit old, it's a bit tatty and rusty. But we're going to give it a go. We're going to SPP this one for you. Okay, there we go. Catches a bit up there, but yeah, that's the 6-pin Yale Euro cylinder successfully SPP'd. So keep watching, because I will be posting some more videos soon on YouTube, and thanks for watching.